you. I think so. It's not the you should. There is no need to tell again and again. You should understand that your during your class your camera should be on, so I can see that how many of you are working and how you are working. Let's start with today's date. Today's date is 12th of April. 2021. The day is Monday. This is your math class and we are solving exercise number 8C. Exercise number 8C, and this is at your book page number
243.
243. What is the topic of this exercise? Sine rule. Okay, so we have done the sine rule in two ways. How? First of all, tell me, is the sine rule applicable on the right angle triangle?
No, ma'am.
No. So the second thing is we have done the sine rule for two different things. One for the missing sides, one time for the missing sides, and one time for the missing angles. So I'm asking you that if you want to find out the missing angles, so what will be the sine rule for angles?
Angles, sine A over A equals sine B over B and sine C over C.
Very good. Angle will be at the top, then the side, same side, then sine B, same angle and same side, then the third one will also be same angle and the same side. And what is for the sides?
It's the inverse.
Angle will be, yes, side. When we want to find out angle should be at the top. When we want to find out the sides, side should be at the top. Then it will be sine A is equal to B over sine B
equal to C over
C over sine C. Okay, so this is the sine rule and it is applicable for not for the right angle triangle. Today we have to start with the question number 4. Look at your question number 4. There is a triangle given to you in this way. There is a triangle named as A, B, C, and the sides are labeled A, B, C. And if you look at the A part, read the A part of the question. One angle is given to you. Angle A is 92 degree.
Side B is 6.93 centimeter.
6.93 centimeter.
And side A is 15.3 centimeter.
15.3 centimeter. We want to find out because we can see that side A, so you can see here, from here we can see that side A and its opposite angle, they both are given to us. But here we have the side B, but we don't have the angle. We don't have the angle. So can you find out this angle B?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so use the sine rule to find the angle B. So first of all, yes, very good. We will write sine A.
Sine B over A. Sine B over B
is equal to sine B over B. Substitute the values.
Sine 92.
Sine 92 divided by 15.3 is equal to sine B
over 6.93.
6.93. Do the cross multiplication and we will find the answer. It will be sine B multiplied by 15.3 is equal to sine 92 multiplied by 6.93. So if we want to find out here, from here, if we will write it as sine B, so it will be sine 92 multiplied by 6.93 divided by 15.3. Do this calculation on your calculator and tell me the answer for this one. Sine B is equal to, yes boys?
I am 0.45.
What it is? 0.45. Can you tell me 4 digits?
0.45.
4, 5, then
0.4526.
Yes.
4.26. So how you can find out this angle B? By taking sine inverse? 0.4526. Take the sine inverse of this value and tell me the answer for angle B.
Ma'am, sine inverse shift and then we press sine,
Sine.
right?
Yes. It depending on your calculator. Some calculators are giving with the shift. If the shift and the sine inverse color is same, then you have to press shift. If alpha and that color is same, then alpha.
Ma'am,
It is
26.91.
26.9.
Ma'am, 26.9.
Very good. So angle B is 26.9. Now you have angle A with you. You have angle B with you. Can you find out the angle C?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason for that? Angles in a triangle. Angles in triangle. Okay. Substitute the values. Angle A is 92. Angle B is 26.9 plus angle C is equal to 180. So what will be the answer for angle C? 180 minus 92 minus 26.9. Angle C.
Ma'am, 61.6.
61.6
6.
degree.
61.1, sorry. 61.1.
61.1.
61.1 degree. This is your answer for your angle C. Now we have angle C. Can you find out? I am writing the angles which we find with other color, so it will be clear to you. We find this angle B, that was 26.9. We find the angle C, that is coming 61.1. Can you find out the opposite side of angle C? Yes, boys. Can you find out the opposite side of angle C? Again by using the sine rule. So again we will use the sine rule. By using sine rule to find the missing side. Okay, so to find the missing side, it means side will come up. Which side is already given to you, you can take that one and then the missing one. Substitute the values. What will be the values here? What is the value of A? A is 15.3. Sine A is sine 92. C we have to find out, and sine C is 61.1. Do the cross multiplication here and we will get the answer. C is multiplying with sine 92 is equal to 15.3 multiplied by sine 61.1. And C will be equal to 15.3 multiplied by sine 61.1 divided by sine 92. Yes, my dear students, tell me the answer for the C. What's the answer for C? You can write all these three values together on the calculator.
Ma'am, 13.4027.
13.4 centimeter. This is the same way, only you should know the sine rule, and then you know this thing that when you have to apply the sine one, the side one, and when you have to apply the angle one. This is the whole question in front of you. If you want to copy, you can. Then we will continue with the next one. What it is? Yes, Mohammed Kundi.
Ma'am, I was saying that it is very easy.
Very easy. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, the cameras are off. I can see only Zran, Ahmed Siddiqui, and Noor.
Parts of the same question, question number 4.
Yes, all the parts of question 4 are same. Do the C part. B part is homework.
Ma'am, you can give both as a homework.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Too much easy.
No, ma'am.
Too much?
Too much.
Too much easy?
No. Give
Or
one.
is it-
Ma'am, one.
Yes, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Only you should know the sign rule and you can continue with it.
Ma'am,
Then-
give us one we will practice.
Ma'am, it's easy
in class.
quickly completed in class.
Give us one only.
Yes, one. Yes. Then I will give you one more question, but don't worry. Continue with the C part now. Muhammad Kundi is saying that this is very easy question. So, Muhammad Kundi, you have to solve the C part.
No, ma'am, I was just joking.
My dear, it's really easy. I will help you. Don't worry. Switch on your camera so I can see your innocent face.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am is innocent by face only.
No, he is innocent.
Ma'am, he looks innocent.
No, he is. You all are. Very good students.
Ma'am, we look innocent, but we are devils.
Are you ready for Ramadan? How many of you are fasting?
Ma'am, I will.
Ma'am, all of us.
Ma'am, I
And
have
who is doing cheating in between?
Ma'am, I will also lead Taraweeh.
MashaAllah.
Me too.
I think so. This time they are allowed to offer their Isha and Taraweeh, but for only for 30 minutes in mosque. You can go and pray, but please, when you are going to the mosque, you have to follow all the SOPs. That you please wear the mask carefully and sanitize your hands and bring your that prayer mat from your house. Don't use the mosque one. Yes, where is Muhammad Kundi? You have to start the next question.
See, ma'am, no one agrees we are innocent.
Otherwise, it will be homework.
Ma'am, please homework.
Ma'am, we
No.
can give C and D parts homework.
There is no D part, Hassan.
Yes, ma'am, C and B.
Ma'am, can you go up?
Rahman, where I will go up?
A question.
Ma'am, yeah, they're still here. One.
Quickly copy this, then we have to continue with the next, my dear. Where is Muhammad Kundi? He said that he is going to turn on the camera and then he disappears somewhere. Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, I was going.
Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, I said that I was going to get the book.
See, you even don't have the book with you and you are solving the questions in math class.
And ma'am, you are saying him innocent.
See, ma'am, innocence level 0.
No, he is a
Ma'am,
good boy.
I write the question and
You are writing the questions from the board?
yes, ma'am, and I'm also copying the answers.
Okay, so done everyone, copied the question A part. So can we move to the C part?
Ma'am, 10 seconds.
Again 10 seconds, Abdul Rahman.
Ma'am, can I solve C part?
No, it's Muhammad Kundi's turn. Yours turn after this. Danial and Zayan, Muhammad Danial and Zayan. Again, you people made the same mistakes in the test. What's the reason for that? I didn't get the reason for that.
Lack of attention.
Ma'am, second question, I didn't understand it.
And after explanation, yesterday I gave the explanation of the second question. After that, did you understand?
Yes, then I understood.
Okay, and what about Zayan?
Ma'am, I also didn't understand.
No, I just want to know the reason that why both of you are making the same mistake.
Ma'am, I did
we are in
the way I
conflict.
knew.
I didn't get that logic. That in first term exam also, how much you have attempted, he has attempted the same. Then now in the test also, how much you are attempting, he is attempting the same.
Ma'am, I did as much as I knew.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Or there is how many chances of cheating there? How is it 80%, 90%?
102.
100%.
Ma'am, if we cheated, we still failed.
Ma'am,
No, but I want to know the reason. How it possible that the two different persons they will attempt the same thing
Ma'am,
and
they
in
are
the same
connected by
way?
mind.
Ma'am, if you want proof, I can send you the chat. Me and Zayan haven't chatted in like 2 months.
No, I don't want. I have fully trust on you. That's why I'm telling you that no need to explain. But you both of you are really intelligent students. Be active in the class. And if you don't know anything, you can ask me again that I can re-explain you. But next time, you should get good marks in the exam, final exam. So your previous will cover. Try to cover your space.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, boys. C part. Yes, Muhammad Kundi, there is a same diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Triangle ABC. ABC. This time the angle C is given to you. That is
Yes, ma'am.
35 degree. And the side C is given. That is 9.5. Side B
Ma'am,
is given
It's 8.7.
8.7. Okay, so you can make the pair again. See, this side is given to you. And you
Yes,
can go
ma'am.
for that. First of all, you can find out the angle angle B. So how you will find out the angle B?
Ma'am, sine B over
Sine B over B,
B, yes, ma'am.
sine C over,
C.
substitute the values. What is sine B? Sine
But it will be sine B over 8.7 is equal to 35.
Sine 35.
Yes, ma'am. Sine 35 over 9.5.
Okay, very good. Then
Then we will cross multiply. Sine B times 9.5 is equal to sine 35 times 8.7.
very good. So sine B will be equal to sine 35 multiplied by 8.7 divided by 9.5.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
it on your calculator and tell me the answer of this fraction.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.5257.
5253 I am getting. What you are getting?
0.52.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
0.5 after we round off.
5253.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
5253.
Sine inverse 0.5253. Yes, Mubashir, what's the answer for this angle B?
It's 39. It's 31.69, ma'am.
31.69. So we can write 31.7 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
we round it.
Okay. Yes, Muhammad Kundi, then you have now two angles with you. How you will find out the angle A?
Ma'am, angle A plus
Angle A,
angle B
ma'am, we
plus
will
angle C
ma'am, we will
equal
plus
to
all the angles. We'll plus all the angles is equal
And
to
we will write the condition. What condition we have to write? Sum of angles in
180.
sum of angles in triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
So if we want to find out angle A, that will be 180 minus this angle B, that was 31.7, minus angle C. What is that angle C? 35.
Yes, ma'am.
So angle A will be
Ma'am, 113.3.
113.3. Okay, now we have all the angles. We have to find out the missing side. Which missing side is here?
Ma'am, we have to find A side.
We have
Side
to
A.
find out this A and the
Yes.
angle both. So A
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to find out. Okay, how we will find out A? A over sine A
equals
Yes.
C over sine C.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Substitute the values.
A
A
over sine A 113.3.
113.3 is equal to C. What is C? 9.5 and sine 35. Do the cross
35.
multiplication.
A times sine 35 is equal to sine 113.3 times 9.5.
Sine 113.3. Okay, very good.
A is equal
A is equal to 9.5 multiplied by sine 113.3 divided by sine 35.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer for this?
It is 15.2.
Very good, Ahmed Siddiqui. 15.2 centimeter.
So, ma'am, we got the A value.
We got the... Okay. Thank you so much, Muhammad Kundi. It's very easy question and you have done it nicely.
Right.
Yes, boys, done. Copied the question. Here is the whole question. We have to find out. Angle B. We find the answer for angle B. We find the answer for angle A. Then we find the side, that is the side A.
Now question 5.
Now question 5. This is the side A. If you have done with this, then we can move to question 5. Boys, you can start question 5. It's the same thing. Then we will compare the answers.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, will there be any like homeworks or tests in Ramadan?
Why not homeworks or tests? Why not? You don't want to prepare any test in Ramadan? Already your classes are very short now.
Ma'am,
You have...
as yes, we have to.
You will be fasting?
It will be too much. Exactly. We get thirsty.
It's thirsty, so you just have to write. So what about the teachers who have to speak for the whole lesson?
We have to use our minds for doing tests and homeworks.
Yes, so your mind should be working condition. When you are eating too much, you will feel lazy. When you are fasting, that time you are active. And it's early morning. It's not that you have classes in afternoon.
Ma'am,
when you feel hungry, Abdurrahman, after afternoon or early morning?
Ma'am, afternoon.
Afternoon. So you can do your homework when you break your fast, means after Maghrib or after Isha, you can do your homework if I give you some homework.
Yeah, but ma'am, no tests.
And the timetable will be followed from tomorrow.
Yes. If
In
tomorrow
India
is
from
the
tomorrow, but in Pakistan from day after tomorrow.
But you have to take the classes according to our timetable, not Pakistan's time.
Ma'am, if somebody is in Pakistan, so should he tomorrow wake up at 7:30?
No, why 7:30?
10:45.
10:45. 10:45 according to Pakistan Standard Time.
Yeah.
So Abdurrahman will be so happy for one day that he has
15 days.
That he has to start the class at 10:45. How nice school is.
Ma'am, so first
Ma'am,
of all,
I will have 1 hour and 15 minutes of extra sleep.
Yes, you can. Why you are not sleeping on time at night?
Ma'am, I am sleeping at 12:01 because I watch football matches. So a lot of time.
So it's your fault, not school's. Okay, boys, continue with the question number 5, my dear. Question number 5. Ahmed Siddiqui has to solve question number 5. Yes, Ahmed Siddiqui?
Over here, we're going to do inverse sine, right?
Which question, Mubashir, you are talking about? 5. Okay, so 5, the very first thing is that you have to find out the angle. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of triangle is given to you. You can see here is one angle, that is 101. This is P, this is R, and this is
Q.
Ma'am, if we find R, then we can subtract all of them and find Q.
yes,
And then
yes.
from the
Very good.
hypotenuse we can.
The same thing, we have to follow the same thing. This is 20.8, this is 13.4. So you can mention the sides first of all. Quickly you can apply. What? Give me a second, it's stuck somewhere. This is P, this is R, this side will be Q. So you can see that one pair is given to you. You can use this one and find out the angle R first, because R side is given to you. So yes, boys, how you can do that? Yes, Ahmed Siddiqui?
Sin R over R equals
Sin R over
sin P over P.
Sin R over R, sin P over
P.
P. Okay, very good, Zan. So what is sin R? Sin R will be same as R is 13.4. Sin P is sin 101 and
20.8.
20.8. Do the cross multiplication and quickly find out the value of sin R. Sin R multiplied by 20.8 is equal to sin 101 over, oh sorry, not over, multiplied by 13.4, and then sin R is equal to sin 101 multiplied by 13.4 divided by 20.8. Yes, boys, do this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 0.63.
Tell me 4 digits, Noor.
0.63.
0.6323 or
23.
24.
Okay.
239.
239 na? So 24 it will be. So R is equal to sine inverse 0.6324. What is the value of angle R?
Ma'am, 39.2.
Ma'am, 39.2.
39.2.
Yes, ma'am.
39.2 is the angle R. Can you find out the angle Q easily? Yes, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle
180 degree. So angle Q is equal to 180 minus 39.2 minus 101. So what's the angle Q? So slow you are using the calculator.
Ma'am, 39.8.
39.8. It looks like a isosceles triangle if the angles are 39. They both are same angle. Yes, then after that, what's the answer for the side? We have to find out this. We have this angle now. We have to find out side Q. So Q over sine Q is equal to P over sine P. P over sine P. Yes, boys. Quickly find out the value of Q. Can you do it now? What is the value of Q? What is Q? We have to find out.
Q is 39.2.
Sin
Sorry,
39.
39.8.
That is equal to what is P?
P is, ma'am,
20.8.
30.
And sine 101. Is it?
yes, ma'am.
Do the cross multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
And Q is Q multiplied by sin 101.
Sine 101 is equal to 20.8 multiplied by sine 39.8.
Yes, ma'am. Q is equals to 20.8.
So Q is equal to 20.8 multiplied by sine 39.8 divided by sine 101. And we have 1 minute only. Quickly tell me the answer of Q.
Ma'am, it is 13.6.
13.56.
13 point,
13.6.
13.6 centimeter. Did you see one thing? That it looks like a isosceles triangle, only there is a minor difference because the Q value is coming 13.6. Angle is also having the, this is angle Q, we get 39.8, and angle R we get, what is angle R? Angle R was 39.2. So it looks like a type of isosceles triangle. Both sides are same, both angles are approximately same, sides and angle.
It's 13.6.
So that's it for the angle, for the question number 5. Then inshallah tomorrow we will continue with the question number 6, and it's the same thing, question 6. Yes boys, can you do question 6? Or no, we will do in the class. Homework is only question number 4B part. Question 4 and its B part is the homework. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day and happy Ramadan to all of you.
Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz beta.